pool. What a view. Hey, see, check this out. Oh, the local dog from Laos. What's the body? You guys will be very familiar with this. See? The real Dr.J. Great lunch. This is my jungle lunch. Fried rice, French stick, I think the chicken barbecue, and mineral ice water. Let's call it a day. Okay. Now I'm at a kayak boat. It's got boat trip. Hey, what a view, man! It's incredible. Now I'm at a one kayak to see the natural environment. It is truly amazing and incredible, man. Man, I really want to see that. I mean, compared with Mother Nature, you know, human beings are so small. What I really want to say is like respect the nature and protect the environment. 两岸猿声啼不住，轻舟已过万重山。This riverside house, I think it's an ideal place to live in. And also, I would like to mention the beer law, one of the most famous beer brands in the world. I tried it several times, it's really good. Just like the mountains. Zip line.